Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks ended higher on Wednesday as Wall Street awaited the latest quarterly figures from Nvidia, which has just been reported after the bell. The high-flying chipmaker that's been bolstered by the artificial intelligence craze on Wall Street has reported $10.32 billion in data center revenue, which is up 171% on an annual basis. Net income jumped to $6.19 billion, or $2.48 a share, from $656 million, or 26 cents a share, a year earlier. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.5% higher. The S&P 500 gained 1.1%, its best daily performance since June 30. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite climbed 1.6%, making for 3 straight days of gains. Athletic apparel stocks bucked the broader market's positive trend, falling amidst concern over inflation and slowing demand. Nike fell for a 10th straight day, its longest slide on record, losing 2.7%. Foot Locker shares fell 28.3% after reporting shrinking sales and lowering its forecast for the second time this year. The stock is on track for its biggest one-day drop, according to FactSet. Those moves come a day after Dick's Sporting Goods suffered its worst day ever. Traders cheered a decline in yields. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yield, which hit its highest level since 2007 on Monday, reaching 4.35%, dropped more than 11 basis points to 4.21% on Wednesday. In commodity-related news now, a dozen money managers told Bloomberg they're sticking with or increasing their gold investments in the next year. Despite recent challenges like rising yields and a stronger dollar, they're cautiously optimistic about gold's future, with most expecting price increases and some anticipating a new all-time high. None plan to decrease their gold exposure in the next 12 months. Australia foresees a 350% surge in global demand for critical metals by 2040, driven by major economies pursuing net zero emissions by 2050, with abundant reserves of key metals like lithium, nickel, zinc, and bauxite needed for the clean energy transition. Australia is well positioned. The country also expects a substantial rise in lithium demand until 2063, bolstering its export market. Overall, all US sectors except for energy closed higher overnight. Tech was the best performer after all the news surrounding Nvidia's latest earnings report. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. Thank you for listening.